In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove white background in Affinity. Now, the first thing you have to do, you must have this document selected and active, and then to remove this white background, simply go to Document Setup at the top, and then here you can go ahead and scroll down a bit until you will be able to see under Color, it says Transparent Background. Make sure to turn this on, click on OK, and as you can see, the background is not white anymore, however, it is now basically transparent, okay? So I hope that's what you meant, but if you meant anything different, so for example, if you have an image that has a white background, what you can do is go ahead and go to Pixel up top. Here you can select this tool, which is the Erase Brush tool. Click on it and select Background Erase Brush. When you do this, you can then go ahead and basically select the size of this brush like that, for example, and let's say this is the white background I want to remove, so this background of my logo over here, you want to select that specific image, and then here you can just basically hover over that white part and it's going to look transparent, and then when you click or just basically draw around this, it's going to remove that part of your background out of your image, and then you can basically get an image without the white background. So that's how we do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.